Mm. Careful now. Mm-hmm. No, you're too far now. We're not going to do that.
At least it almost reached it. Wow. Pond skipping is hard.
Mm-hmm.
How do you pond skip in these?
Go follow mommy. But watch out for the cars when you get up there. I'm gonna get a closer shot of this. Huh. Watch out for the cars.
Can you help us out?
Okay. I see the schedule here. 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. This is their iced tea that is homegrown. Good. What was yours? I had a lot of. Oh, taco. Yeah, those look taco-y.
I'm going to blow my
Oh, the House of Jerky? I don't know. Okay. Do we have time?
Could we go back?
Huh? Okay.
Hold hands?
Mm-hmm.
holding my arm and I'm holding your arm.
Oh, good. Except you're gonna squish my wristband's button. Okay. Huh? Okay, the Silly Goose store. Do we get to buy a silly goose?
I'm going to
Uh-huh.
the footprints.
Oh yeah, follow the footprints. Oh. Ha 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 ha. Uh-huh.
Follow the footprints.
Here, follow those footprints.
Emotional support wieners. Look at that dog. It's so tiny.
Funny.
They're Highland cows. Highland cows.
Cows in space. Hi. Let's see. Silliest goose. Oh. Spaceballs, the mug.
You should get that. That's really funny.
Yeah.
Can I buy that for you?
No, we're not gonna be able to carry it.
Okay.
Maybe we'll bring it. We'll come back later then. You want to say goodbye to the goose? Look at this goose. Okay. Okay. Are we going in here or out of time? Okay. What's better than jerky? Okay. All right. Hi. Oh, nice. Hi. Whoa. Cool.
Do you like sweet? Like sweet and pepperish? Try this one. It's like sweet and then salty, but not so sweet. This is we got both flavors. This is a teriyaki brisket.
Oh, careful, babe. Oh.
You can get this for snack for Brian later. Or you can see if there's jerky again. You get him a pack of jerky.
Give him some tea.
Pack of jerky.
I don't know if he can do spicy though.
Do
Same side
those
as
are
Venice?
Venison, yes, that is baby deer. That's nice.
Is this made of animal fur?
Probably.
What? Alligator jerky? Buffalo jerky? What was
Alligator jerky.
That's what I just said.
Yeah. Well, good for you.
Mommy.
Oh, thank you so much. Have a great one. Okay, here. Okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, how did you get stuck in there? Oh, no wonder.
Of the flavors.
Okay, come
I was
down.
filming a video of the flavors of jerky.
Okay, good. Okay.
You didn't pay attention to me. You didn't pay attention.
You said that you were filming the flavors.
I know, but you weren't paying attention to where I was.
Oh, I actually knew that you were taking video, but I didn't know that you were, yes, behind me and not in front of me.
No, I was still filming and then they caught you leaving the door, so it stopped the video.
Yes, that's right. So you got to keep your eyes open. That was very smart of you. Oh, I don't know. Do 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 do. Yes. It's close. Look, don't be a butthead.
Oh, yeah. You're a
Huh? Uh-huh.
You're the butthead.
That's all of Pennsylvania. I like Pennsylvania. Oh, this is the courthouse. Huh.
Too bad the clock tower doesn't ring ding dong ding dong.
You don't know. You don't know if it does.
I didn't hear it go ding dong.
Were you listening for it actively? See, so you don't know, really. Huh? A bike? Oh, bike shop. Oh.
Yeah.
These are old school bikes, but how do you get on them? Huh. Hey, look. Job fair, April 12th from 1 to 4. You could stay here. Just kidding. Okay, come.
Run!
No, don't run. That's dangerous. Hi there. I think we're finally in the right place.
Standard?
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. Tickets, very good.
Okay, do we go right or left?
Either one.
Uh-huh.
Seems to be more room in the right.
Okay, cool. Come on in.
Watch your step.
Yep, this is the way trains were. Yay! I've been trying to get tickets for like Thanksgiving and Christmas, but they sell out so quickly. Do you guys have one for Christmas too, or
Yes.
how, like a holiday train?
Yes, we do.
Okay, and then is that on foot? You can buy tickets here, or you have to buy online? Oh, sorry.
Both.
Oh, both? Okay, I'll look for it.
Yep,
Okay,
check
thank
it
you.
out. You're welcome.
All right. Okay. Are we in here? Okay. Okay. Huh?
We also know some drugs too. You got the glue gun. I still have light inside of me. That's why. I'm being able to.
Let me see how do you do? Are you excited? Are you excited?
But where are we going to the train?
We're gonna ride around Pennsylvania.
But where are we going to go and go
No.
in a hole?
Oh, we're gonna go wherever they take us. Are you excited?
She said, when are we going to go back home?
Oh, ho.
No!
We ask that you sit back, relax, and take in all the area has to offer. This is your narrator at Car 214, Larry Fisher, and I'll be telling you about some of the places that we are going to go past, and also add in some more of the history of the area.
Okay, my bad. No. Not like
It's the caboose from the other train.
What's a caboose anyway?
It's the last car.
Is that what it is?
Yes.
When I hear caboose, I think of a giraffe.
If you look to the left, you can see some interesting stonework that was done in the 1800s by, I understand, Italian stonemasons, and there's no cement. It's all fit together with basic blocks. And this whole wall back from here back to the station is holding up the road surface. There's regular stone here and some cement added, cut blocks.
Is it okay to film?
Of course.
Oh, thank you for taking our tickets. Yay.
There you go.
All right.
Great. Enjoy your ride.
Appreciate it. Yay. Say thank you.
To go underneath the Route 209 bridge.
Uh-huh.
And this is also the entrance to the Jim Thorpe rail yard. While looking right, you get a brief view of East Jim Thorpe in the distance. And there's one more bridge ahead of us, and this is the Coalport Trestle. And this spans the former Lehigh Valley Railroad, double tracks. It's owned by Asa Packard. It crosses over what is now one track, the Reading and Northern's Lehigh branch, and the other track is the Norfolk Southern Railway's Lehigh line.
Do you know I indirectly work for Lehigh Valley Line? I do the news for this whole area. You want to sit with her?
As you can see, there's some close
Sit with
clearances
Mommy.
on the left. There it is.
Oh. There.
Let's see we're coming back this way. To a complete stop. Passengers seated in standard coach may get out of your seats and either push or pull the middle of the back seat to change its position for the return trip to Jim Thorpe.
Oh, is that right? Wow. Oh, look. Oh, look. Wow. Convertible chairs. We have to do the work, but wow. All right, let's
And
see
while
if this
we're
works.
waiting for the
Woo! Look at that.
engineer to rig his engine.
Oh,
for
do you
the
want to leave
return
yourselves
trip.
that way? And do you want to leave ourselves?
By the late
this way?
19th century junk or Jim Thorpe.
Oh, okay. Do you want to
transformed
switch to
from
that
a
side?
growing industrial hub into the second
Oh, yeah.
most popular
That
tourist
works.
destination in the country. Second only to Niagara
I guess so.
Falls. And in one side,
No, let her sleep.
nearly 10,000
Oh, you are,
people
okay.
from around the world.
Oh, I know.
Also,
Ha ha ha.
Go in the China garden.
Oh, it's not a real garden. It's a restaurant. Oh yeah, this is an old jail tour. I saw on the computer screen. It's nice, actually.
We're not going into next year.
That's cool. Go inside the next door.
Oh no, I think that's for other folks to go up.
Little things.
Oh.
Let's come back. You want to try that? Come my darling.
My legs are getting tired.
We're not even halfway to the town yet, are we? You gotta get used to it. It's called sightseeing. Oh, you want to see a bookshop?
No, I don't want to go in the book. No, I don't want
Books
to go.
are awesome. Why wouldn't you? Let's just take a quick look. I love books. All right, then you wait for me out here then.
Okay, bye, Daddy.
Okay. Mommy wants to come too. Hi there. I'm trying to tell the kids that books are awesome, but they're putting up a fight. I have this, yay.
Do that. I could have told you a Jellystone.
Where you going?
Oh, I think I read this too.
You're over it already?
Mom, I don't want that.
There's three, they were right there. All right, thank you.
Oh, oops, sorry. Oh, well. I hope that Mom and Dad brought back my Civil War books. Oh, you're here. Oh, good. Don't sit on anything. Pardon me. Thanks. That's all right. Let's see. You see anything interesting new?
No.
Okay. Okay, have a good one.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Okay.
Yeah, it's so funny. So many kids are like going in or out of there. I don't want a book.
That's so sad.
I know.
So sad. Come. Huh?
Not yet.
Yeah. Yep, that way. The Lehigh River.
This would be a good rock skipper.
You can try it. Here, hold me, my Emily. We're going down. Okay.
Yes, we're going down.
Yep, we gotta be careful. Come to this middle part. Okay. 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 Small steps. Yep. Okay, you want to step over here so it's a little bit easier. Okay. Stay on the left. This way. Yep. Okay. All right.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yes, we have to go slow or you'll get rocks in your shoes. Don't go in the water.
Oh God, don't go in the water.
Careful, careful.
Okay, Dad.
Yep. Woo. They move very easily. Don't go any further. Are you okay, babe? You can stay there if you want. Okay. A rock what? Be careful. Stay here. Okay, but be careful. Be careful. Ah, you're gonna knock each other over. Okay, don't go any further. Stay there, Emily. No. Stay there. Stay there. Don't go any further.
How's this? I'm skipping this one.
Yeah, maybe. Throw it like a frisbee.
Like this?
Like this. Be careful. Emily's right under you. Uh-oh. Okay. Step back, Benjamin.
Maybe this one.
Yep. Okay, you stay back here too. Don't.
This is a good rock.
Okay. Stay back over here. No, don't go any further. Stay back, stay back. It's getting late. The sun is going down. Take a look around you. Look behind you. The sun is up there. It's actually quite majestic. It looks quite nice. What?
Coming, I found you a skipping stone.
Oh, I don't need to skip no stone.
Yeah.
This is too heavy. It's gonna plunk. Are you ready? It's gonna plunk. It doesn't do anything. Okay, let us go. Woo! That stayed on top. Very good. All right, I'm going now. Bye-bye, guys.
Okay, bye, Emmy.
Come, Emmy. Let's go. My Emmy. Okay. Yeah, I know it's fun, but we can't stay here all night.
Maybe we can do that tomorrow.
Are you okay, my babe?
Maybe
Okay. No. Where are you going, Ben?
well,
Okay. Yep. Oops. Step on the stones gently, because they will move. Some of them. Okay. Yep. Look at this big one. Climb on that one. Yes. Very good. Oh man. No, be safe. For what? But this is getting late now. Okay, here. Come up here. Yes. Okay. Wait, Ben. Okay. Good. Hold your other hand. Here. Oh, come this way. Yes. Okay. All right. Whew. Wasn't that nice? Huh? It has to be nice. If you don't think it's nice, then we can't come back ever again.
but I want to do it even more.
I know, but it's getting late.
Maybe we can do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow we go home. We're gonna go see Mama.
Really?
Yeah. Really? Oh, don't step on this poop. Okay. Look out for a poop, Ben. Why are you on the phone?